Okay, so I just found out the GoPro Max 2, because the GoPro Max 2, if you are going to buy the official charger, they will going to bundle you with additional 2 battery for the GoPro Max 2. And because the connector looks pretty much the same, so I just take out my old GoPro 12, the last generation GoPro battery, not the 13. I don't know the 13 because I don't own the 13, but look at this. The connector is the same. So I already have the old GoPro charging bay, so you can basically just insert this into the charger, the same GoPro charger, and you can charge this. You can demonstrate. Just plug in the power bank to demonstrate it's working. So this is the GoPro 12 battery and also the GoPro Max battery, and we are charging too, and the indicator, the battery indicator, is showing correctly. So this is, yeah, it works. So this is pretty good. I don't need to buy the official charger. So basically, modification, maybe we just print some, maybe a little 3D printing mount or like a hoop, that kind of stuff, to make this fit easier, because right now you still need to like find the pins because the battery size is not the same. But after you just plug in, shake, wibbly wobbly, few seconds, yeah, this is the hard part. Yep, here we go. We plug it in and we can charge. So there's more, maybe, I don't know, you got a modification. You got to modify this by yourself. But basically, you can use the same charger for the old GoPro battery. This is pretty cool.